Students, clap for your friends.
Alright team, today we must build the roof. Wait, did we already build the roof?
Sir, I bought the tool.
That's not a hammer, that's my breakfast. Mahia. Mahia.
Perfect, exactly 7.5 centimeters.
Stop measuring my nose, measure the wall.
Oh, the wall is shorter than your nose.
Mahia ये धरो. एक धरो. Sammy, wake up! You are supposed to carry bricks.
I take them
When?
in my dream. Sir, if you believe that house upside down, people can live in sling roof-free. Upside down? The house will fall on us. Run!
Stop!
Oh, I'm so busy to cleaning invisible dust.
Stop acting, do real work.
Work is bad for my health. Rest is the best construction.
Wow, what a professional team. A house with no roof, no walls, and a sleeping worker. Perfect for ghosts.
Don't worry, Inspector. We got this. I have a plan. Wait, where did I put the plan?
Sir, is this it?
No, that's my list for bananas.
Blur, blur. Construction, blur. Economy, blur. Citizens, blur, blur.
Huh?
Sir, if she said
That we are
building a house, swimming pool, a pool, but I can't swim. Help!
Well, your team just
Congratulations, Mr. Fix-It. Your team has just built chaos.
don't worry, we will fix it tomorrow.
But tomorrow is Sunday.
Oh, then let's sleep like Sammy.
What the hell is this? Blur, blur. Construction, blur. Economy, blur. Citizens, blur, blur.
Thank you.
Thank you.